You know, there's two ways to make new dahlias in your garden. Hi, I'm Susan from In the Garden Sue. Today, I'm going to show you two different ways. So the obvious way is to get more tubers and plant them in the spring. But another way you can do it is you can save the seeds. Now the seeds are going to be hybrids. They're not going to be actually like the mother plant. The exact clone. They're going to be a hybrid because the bees, they pollinate, they go all around to all the different flowers, and you're going to get pollen from different flowers to get on this flower, and then the seed that comes from this flower will be a daughter of this mother. So if you want to save the seeds, you can let them go to seeds without deadheading them, and then if you squeeze it and it's still a little soft in there, maybe a little juicy, you want to cut that one yet. You want to find the one that's a little harder, like this one, and when you squeeze it, it's a little harder. This one too, so you can just take them off, and then you can let them dry out a little bit more, and then save those seeds. And remember, these will be a hybrid of this yellow one. So I can't wait to see what these will look like. It's pretty interesting, huh? For more garden tips, you can follow me. I have a blog. It's called inthegardensue.com. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and it's In the Garden Sue. Check it out.